Hello and welcome to another Landis Attendant Console for Microsoft Teams update video. This video covers the update that will be released in November of 2025. Got a number of updates. I'm going to cover 4 of them in this video. All the details are going to be in the update notes that will be linked below. The first one I want to show you is an update to our transfer to voicemail. So we've had this transfer to voicemail, this voicemail icon. I can click there and send this live call directly to Paul's voicemail. But in the past, if you had something besides blind transfer selected here, so if I had consult transfer, if that was my normal mode of answer, and so I had that set as default, and so then when I would go to transfer to transfer to voicemail, I had to pick blind transfer before I would transfer. That's no longer the case. It does not matter what transfer method you have selected here. When you hit the transfer to voicemail icon, it will automatically do that. And so that's a great new feature that I'm happy to see there. Next, we have for some time had a calendar thing here. So we can see, I can click on this and see Paul's calendar. But what we've added is a way to get to that quicker. So I am interacting with this caller and they're talking to Preston. They want to talk to Preston. I can click on his schedule icon here and it will highlight Preston and take me to his calendar. And so it just is saving us a click there. It's going directly to that to see Preston's calendar glimpse. Let me just show you how to set that up if you don't have that set up on your Attendant Console. So we're going to come up here to settings, up beside where my picture is, 3 dots, settings, and we're going to come to contacts. And under contacts, we'll drop down here to where it says customize contact layout buttons. These are the layout buttons. And so we'll click in the empty box here under that field, and it'll give us all the options, and we'll select schedule, and that will add that schedule button to your contact card there. Okay, next we have added real-time speech to text, which we had before, but we've added additional languages to that. And so we had some of our international companies that were saying, I need this in another language. And so we've added some additional languages. And that is, when I say real-time speech to text, that's around, if I go to my call details tab here, I can see a transcription happening of this conversation. And I can choose the languages that I want that to be in. And so this is pulled out of Microsoft's services, so it's quite a list of the languages that are available there. And we're just using this as a way then to introduce AI features to the product. So we have things like chat callback reminder with a AI summary of the call, and then we can get into a lot of different after call or during the call things that we can do. Some of them that might lend themselves to an everyday receptionist, and some of them that will lend themselves more to a contact center type environment. And then finally, often asked about, often requested, we have a way to view your group voicemails in Attendant Console. So glad to see this one coming. So this is, I've always had for a long time, I've had the ability to see my personal voicemails that were direct dials to me. But for a receptionist, what you're wanting is those group voicemails, because that's where you step away from your desk and you miss a call and it's going to that group mailbox and you need to be able to retrieve that call there. And so the ability to listen to and see the transcription of those voicemails right within here is a feature that I'm excited about. To activate that feature, what you'll need to do is go to settings and then layout, and then add the group voicemail to whatever layout you're using to activate that. So there's a number of other things. I'm going to stop at that as far as what I'm going to show you today. If you have any questions about any of this, would like to discuss how some of these features might work in your environment or need help setting them up, we're always happy to help with that. You can reach out to us through the website at landistechnologies.com or give us a call or any of the other methods of contacting us. So thank you. Thanks to our development team for another great update on Attendant Console, and we look forward to what we have in store for you in the future.